What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best cameras for beginners that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Canon EOS R100 stands as a commendable choice for novice photographers and those on a budget, offering an entry-level mirrorless camera experience. Its defining feature lies in its compact and lightweight design, coupled with the versatility of interchangeable lenses, making it adaptable to diverse shooting environments. Equipped with a 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and a Digic 8 image processor, the camera excels in producing high-quality still images. Noteworthy is its advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF system, capable of detecting human faces and focusing sharply on their eyes, ensuring accurate autofocus performance. For beginners, the EOS R100 offers a range of creative possibilities. Creative filters and the Creative Assist function allow users to effortlessly add artistic effects to their photos. Additionally, the camera supports 4K, cropped, video recording at 24 frames per second and Full HD video at up to 60 frames per second, catering to vlogging and content creation needs. With a continuous shooting mode capturing 6.5 frames per second, it suits sports and action photography. Despite its strengths, the EOS R100 does have limitations. Critics have noted a lack of user experience, suggesting beginners might outgrow the camera swiftly. Its sluggish performance and absence of advanced features may limit users keen on exploring more creative avenues in their photography endeavors. Nonetheless, for those starting their photography journey or seeking an affordable and user-friendly option, the Canon EOS R100 serves as a practical choice. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is a remarkable choice for beginners and entry-level photographers, offering a lightweight and compact DSLR experience tailored to their needs. Its standout feature is its incredibly lightweight and small form factor, making it effortlessly portable for on-the-go photography sessions. Equipped with a 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, this camera delivers high-resolution images and supports 4K video recording, ensuring excellent image quality and versatility in capturing moments. One of its key strengths lies in the dual-pixel CMOS AF system, providing rapid and precise autofocus for capturing the perfect shot in any scenario. The camera's vari-angle LCD screen adds to its versatility, enabling easy framing of selfies and creative angles. Moreover, its broad focus area, especially with compatible EF lenses, enhances flexibility in composition. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the EOS Rebel SL3 boasts intuitive operating controls, making it easy for beginners to navigate settings. The built-in Creative Assist feature empowers users to experiment with various styles and looks in real time, fostering creativity and skill development. Additionally, the camera's compatibility with a wide range of EF and EFS lenses allows users to explore diverse photography styles. For beginners, the availability of online tutorials and guides, including YouTube tutorials and in-depth overviews of the camera's functions, further supports the learning process. With its compact size, high-quality imaging capabilities, and user-friendly features, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 stands out as an excellent choice for aspiring photographers looking to hone their skills and explore the world of photography. The Fujifilm X-S10 is an ideal choice for beginners seeking a DSLR-style mirrorless camera with advanced features and a user-friendly design. Its compact and lightweight build makes it perfect for newcomers, while its 26.1-megapixel X-Trans BSI CMOS sensor and X-Processor 4 deliver exceptional image quality and swift performance. The in-body image stabilization system reduces camera shake, enabling sharper handheld shots, a valuable feature for beginners experimenting with various settings. Notably, the X-S10 shines in its video capabilities, capturing 4K video at 30 frames per second and supporting Fujifilm's Eterna color profile, renowned for its cinematic appeal. The camera's fully articulating LCD screen and built-in microphone input enhance its versatility, catering to vloggers and content creators. Ease of use is a priority, evident in the intuitive handling of the XS10. It features a mode dial for quick access to different shooting modes and a touchscreen interface for effortless menu navigation. Additionally, automatic shooting modes and scene recognition features simplify the learning curve for beginners. In summary, the Fujifilm XS10 stands out as a capable and versatile camera tailored for beginners. Its compact size, intuitive controls, impressive image stabilization, and exceptional video capabilities make it an excellent choice for those starting their photography journey or upgrading from basic cameras or smartphones. The Nikon ZFC stands out as a stylish travel camera that pays homage to the film camera era. Its retro design reminiscent of the 70s exudes a classic charm, making it a leading choice for those seeking a blend of aesthetics and modern functionality. Despite its vintage appearance, the ZFC boasts a DX APS-C digital sensor and compatibility with Nikon C mirrorless lenses, making it an attractive option for landscape and documentary photography. While not optimized for larger lenses or fast-action subjects, the ZFC excels in its niche. It replaces traditional film with a digital APS-C sensor and swaps the optical viewfinder for an electronic one. Nostalgic features like colored markings on the shutter dial and a small LCD reminiscent of a frame counter add to its charm. The camera's silver finish can be customized with colored skins, and its durable construction combines high-quality plastics and metals for dust and splash resistance. The camera's compact size, 3.7 by 5.3 by 1.8 inches, and lightweight build, 13.8 ounces, make it ideal for vloggers. It supports 4K UHD video recording, features a tilting vari-angle LCD screen, and offers full-time AF with eye detection. Additional highlights include a built-in stereo microphone, an external microphone jack, and compatibility with live streaming and web conferencing. The Nikon ZFC seamlessly marries vintage design with modern technology, presenting a compelling choice for those seeking both style and performance. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV has earned the prestigious title of the best overall travel camera. This compact yet powerful device strikes a perfect balance between user-friendly functionality, top-tier quality, and an intuitive interface, making it particularly inviting for beginners. The EM10 Mark IV introduces significant upgrades, including an enhanced autofocus system and an upgraded sensor, ensuring its relevance in the rapidly evolving photography landscape while delivering superior image quality. Despite its small size, this Olympus model offers surprisingly comfortable ergonomics, featuring a well-designed grip for one-handed operation. Its design pays homage to classic smaller cameras of the past, evoking a sense of nostalgia. The adjustable vari-angle screen is a standout feature, aiding travel photographers and content creators who frequently shoot from various angles. The revamped autofocus system excels in tracking moving subjects, while the new 20-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor substantially enhances overall image quality. The 5-axis image stabilization benefits vloggers. The camera's startup time is swift, and its intuitive interface simplifies navigation. With a shooting speed of 15 frames per second, it excels in capturing fleeting moments, ideal for street and wildlife photography. Paired with a lightweight 14 to 42 mm lens, the EM10 Mark IV's portability and ease of use make it an attractive option for smartphone photographers. In conclusion, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV stands as a remarkable investment offering exceptional performance at an unbeatable price-to-quality ratio.